It's Thursday afternoon, and Emma, a tutor for kids aged 8 to 11, is rushing through another busy day. She just finished a math session, has a science lesson in 1 hour, and still needs to prepare a short reading quiz for Leo, a curious but easily distracted fourth grader. Welcome back to Everyday AI. If you're a tutor, teacher, or parent supporting children aged 8 to 11, today's tool could genuinely transform the way you prepare lessons. The tool is called Quizgecko, a realistic, practical AI quiz generator that turns your text, your lesson notes, or any online article into structured quizzes instantly. And in this video, you'll learn real everyday tutoring scenarios, exactly how Quizgecko works, step by step on the real interface, 3 practical examples across mixed subjects, and how this tool dramatically reduces prep time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Quizgecko to make your everyday teaching simpler, calmer, and more organized. So, let's get started. Meet Emma, our main character. She tutors children in upper primary. Her subjects vary: reading, math, science, social studies. Every child needs something different. A typical day for her looks like this: 2:30 p.m., reading session with Maya. 3:30 p.m., math word problems with Leo. 4:30 p.m., science basics with Sophia. Evening, preparing tomorrow's materials and catching up on messages. But the real struggle isn't the teaching, it's the preparation. Because kids in this age range need age-appropriate vocabulary, not too hard, not too easy questions, variety, multiple choice, true, false, short answers, quizzes that match what they just learned, worksheets that don't feel generic or copy-pasted. So every night, Emma sits down to prepare, and she spends way too long doing it. Sometimes she tries making her own questions, but she worries they're repetitive. Sometimes she uses Google Worksheets, but the difficulty is inconsistent. Sometimes she copies questions from textbooks, but they're not personalized. Sometimes she gives up and reuses old material and feels guilty about it. And deep down, she just wants something that helps her create clean, structured, level-appropriate quizzes quickly, without mental pressure. That's exactly what she finds next, when she discovers Quizgecko. So, what exactly is Quizgecko? Quizgecko is an AI-powered quiz generator designed to take any text you provide, a paragraph, a short story, a science explanation, a math concept, and instantly turn it into multiple-choice questions, true-false questions, short-answer questions, flashcards, summaries, and full quizzes. Why does this solve Emma's problem? Because instead of spending 30 to 40 minutes writing questions, she spends 30 seconds generating them, and another minute reviewing or editing. It supports her preparation rather than replacing her teaching. Now let's move into the tutorial. Emma needs a short reading comprehension quiz. She has a paragraph about why bees are important, but no time to create questions that fit a 9-year-old's level. She goes to Quizgecko.com, clicks Generate, clicks Texts, pastes the paragraph about bees. Select question types: multiple choice, true or false, short answer. Set difficulty: easy to medium, perfect for ages 8 to 11. Click Generate. What Quizgecko generates? MCQ. What essential contribution does the bee make to the reproduction of a plant when collecting nectar? Correct answer. It transfers pollen from one flower to the next, enabling the plant to reproduce. True, false. In the life cycle of plants, nectar serves exclusively as primary reproductive material, while pollen serves only as food for insects. Correct answer. False. All questions are clean, age-appropriate, and directly connected to her text. Parents ask Emma, "What exactly did my child learn today?" She wants a way to send them a simple, structured summary, and maybe a quick mini-quiz they can try together at home. She pastes her tutor notes from today's session. Today we learned how to add fractions with the same denominator. We practiced 3/10 plus 4/10 equals 7/10. We also reviewed why denominators must match. Choose output: summary, multiple choice, true or false. Set difficulty: medium. And Quizgecko generates a summary. Today your child practiced adding fractions with the same denominator. They learned how to combine numerators and keep the denominator the same. Emma now has a clean, simple summary, a quiz parents can use at home, a structured record of what was taught. Everything is accurate to Quizgecko's real functions. Emma wants to teach Sophia the basics of the water cycle. She finds a kid-friendly online article, but she can't use it directly. She needs quiz questions that match the text. She copies the URL of the article, click Generate, choose From URL, paste the link, select question types, multiple choice, true and false, set difficulty, medium, generate quiz. Emma instantly gets a science quiz aligned with exactly what Sophia will read. No mismatch in difficulty, no irrelevant questions, no wasted prep time. Let's return to Emma. Before Quizgecko, her evenings were filled with stress. She would hop from Google to textbooks to old worksheets, trying to stitch together something coherent. Now, her routine is calmer and more confident. And here's the real takeaway. It's not about AI replacing tutors. It's about giving tutors the breathing room they deserve. If you want to simplify your tutoring routine the way Emma did, give Quizgecko a try today. Create a quiz from your text, your notes, or even a website, and see how much time you save. Comment below with the subject you teach, and I'll create more videos with tailored AI tools for that subject. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a tutor or parent who could use a little support. Small tools don't replace your teaching. They simply help you shine brighter.